everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have some magnesium glycinate, and this one here, it's like, it comes in a bag, but it's pills, like, things like pills. So if you're a magnesium taker, this could be for you. You can kind of see in there, it's just got a bunch of pills. It's kind of interesting the way they come out. So this is what it is. They look like regular little pills. They are the soft caps, so you can see you can squish them. So there's that. Here's all the different pieces and parts and ways it comes in there so that you can see all the stuff in there. I think that it's a 3 capsules daily with a meal. So if you're getting 90 capsules, we're talking a 30-day supply on that one there. So it's, if you're doing 3 a day, that would be 90. So there you go. So if you're needing some magnesium, this one here is a 17-in-1 complex. So I've seen some of these ones that are like 12-in-1 and 10-in-1 and things like that. But this one here is 17. So you're getting a whole lot of different stuff with this one here. So it should be good and healthy for you. So I don't know, give it a try. Thumbs up.